In this video, we show how to install the bezel on a PowerEdge XR4000r. Before installing the bezel, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the XR4000r service manual at dell.com/support. To install the bezel, align the right bracket to the right ear and tighten the two captive screws to secure the bracket to the ear. Repeat this process for the left bracket. Next, align the bezel with the bracket and press until the bezel clicks into place. To remove the bezel, while pressing the buttons on both sides of the bezel, slide and remove it. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.